Welcome to the fourth episode of our series on ORYXCAD, version 1.2. One object selected was already good, but with two objects, that's where the magic happens. The panel transforms once again and reveals the most powerful assembly tools in the add-on. Today, we're putting parts together. First tool, Clean Merge. You select your two objects, one click, and they become a single part. And not a rough merge, a truly clean fusion, with no hidden faces inside, no invisible flaws. Imagine an enclosure and its handle, joined into one perfectly printable object. Second tool, drill one with the other. This is a Boolean operation, which means the shape of one object carves into the other. In practice, you take a screw, you place it on your part, one click, and the screw carves its own hole, at the right diameter with the right thread. Your screw thread is perfect on the first try. Third tool, Align in Z. Your two objects line up perfectly on the vertical axis, while keeping their gap, their rotation, and their size. Think of a screw and its nut. One click, and they're perfectly in line, ready to be assembled. No more crooked assemblies. And a word about ease of use. With every operation, ORYXCAD guides you. If something goes wrong, a clear message tells you exactly what the problem is, not some cryptic error code. And when an operation succeeds, a notification pops up and the modified objects are highlighted on screen. You always know what just happened. Merge, drill, align. With two objects, ORYXCAD becomes a true assembly workshop. In the final video of the series, we'll see how to modify the objects provided by ORYXCAD at any time, even long after creating them. See you right now for the grand finale.